Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today I'm back in Atlantic City on the beautiful, iconic, historic Atlantic City Boardwalk, kind of the northern end of the boardwalk, back at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. I know I've done room tours here on the South Tower as well as the North Tower, and I did a beautiful suite at the South Tower, but today we're going to check out a corner room in the North Tower. Now, my room was comped, but regardless, I don't think corner rooms are that much more expensive than regular rooms. And if you ask me, it's just my personal opinion, corner rooms seem to be much bigger and they always give you better views because you basically have windows on two sides of the room. Now, a couple differences between the North and South Towers here at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. The South Tower is actually the original Trump Taj Mahal. The North Tower is a little bit younger than the South Tower. South Tower has half windows, whereas the North Tower has floor-to-ceiling windows. The North Tower, however, is quite a walk from the casino and the main building here, as you're going to find out as we start heading towards that room. So let's check it out. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, in my latest Las Vegas video, the Cosmopolitan Hotel and Casino. Congratulations, Deborah Camacho. Also a shout out to Sherry, who said I must be using voice enhancers because she pictured a guy in his mid-30s and clean shaven. Now, what facial hair has to do with the voice, I'm not sure. I did tell her that my only voice enhancement was a nice Pinot Noir. And some voices, like a fine wine, get better with age, so my voice should be super sexy in about 10 years. I'm in corner room 3845, another 2 stories, and I'd be on the roof. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, why not give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, why not subscribe to the New York channel? It really does help the channel out, and I would greatly appreciate it, so do it right now. Click on that thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot. B-side, a recording reference as well as an anatomy reference. So we have a nice view of the Ocean Casino and Resort, as well as the Brigantine Inlet and the Showboat, which is actually way down there. And from this window you can see the Borgata, Water Club, Harrah's, as well as the Golden Nugget. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.